Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you two methods to restore deleted chats on Facebook Messenger. First of all, what you have to do is open Facebook Messenger and check if you don't have the conversation you want. Then what you have to do is click on the menu on the bottom right corner. Maybe it's on the top left corner depending upon your device. In my case, menu is on the bottom right corner, and then you'll be able to see archive. Now if you select archive, you may see lots of different conversations. You may have accidentally added your chat to the archive. Now what you have to do is simply swipe down, scroll down, and check if the conversation you are trying to find is in the archive list or not. If you found your conversation, you can long press and click on unarchive. Then your chat will be moved back to your main inbox. So this is the first way. The second way is that there might be a possibility that your chat has not been synchronized with this device yet. For instance, if you're using multiple devices and you have signed in your Facebook on multiple devices, you can check your other devices inbox and check if you have the chat you're trying to find on another device. If you're still not able to find your chat, there might be a possibility that the conversation or the chat has been deleted permanently. Because if you're thinking that you will contact Facebook support team and they will help you out, they will not. Because in the terms and conditions of the Facebook on the Facebook website, they have mentioned that once you delete your conversation, it also deletes from the Facebook servers. So there is no way back that you can get your chats. So these are the two methods to restore deleted chats on Facebook Messenger. If you have another way, then you can tell me on the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.